In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email on Instagram. This should work on Android and iOS as well, and it's pretty easy to do. So all you need to do is open your Instagram app and then go to your profile, which you can do by clicking on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Next up, click on these three lines at the top right corner, and then click on settings right there. Now once you're in settings, you want to find account, which is right there. Click on it. And then next up, click on personal information, which should be right there at the top. Now you want to click on that. And then right there, you'll see your email address. Okay, so that's my email address for this account. All you need to do then is click right there. And you can then change your email address. So let's say that I'm going to use this one. And this is not going to be my real email, but I'm just going to make this up for this video. Let's say that I'm going to do this one. You then type in your email right there and then click on the check mark, and there you go. So all you need to do next is check your email and follow the link in the email that they send over to that email right there. Once again, that's not my email, but if you type in your real email, you're gonna get an email. All you need to do is click on confirm, and then by doing that, you can also do that right there. You see confirm. By confirming that email, you will actually change your email on Instagram. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.